Virginia-based disaster relief nonprofit Mercy Chefs is on the ground in Kerr County, Texas right now, serving hot chef-prepared meals to victims, first responders, and volunteers impacted by this weekend's catastrophic flooding. For more on their efforts, let's bring in Mercy Chefs founder and CEO Gary LeBlanc. Gary, welcome.
Thanks.
So talk to us about what you're doing there on the scene.
Well, our teams rushed to the center of the need here. We were actually able to serve 500 meals last night to first responders, search and rescue teams. And those men and women are just true heroes. We have our full kit set up behind us, and we'll be doing thousands and thousands of hot meals here.
You are a faith-based group doing God's work down there. What's been the reaction to your efforts?
Well, you know, we have so many of our chefs that are from Texas. I was born in Texas, and 4 of our core team members are from here. We met them during the Wimberley floods all those years ago. One of them was a camp counselor at Camp Mystic for 7 years. So it's very close to our hearts, very close to home for a lot of our people. And the need here is overwhelming. The disaster, the damage is just unspeakable. It is truly one of the most tragic disasters we've ever worked.
To that point, I'm sure you've been to many disasters dating back to Hurricane Katrina when your organization was founded. Does this one hit differently?
Well, yeah, I think because of the loss of life and because of the children, it hits entirely differently. You know, we those of us that have children, we can only imagine that we dropped them off at camp last week, not expecting this. And so many families are still in that unimaginable place of waiting for news on their children. It is just heartbreaking.
I'm sure as a nonprofit, your resources are limited. How long do you intend to be out there?
Resources won't determine how long we stay. We're going to stay as long as there's a need, whether that's 10 days or 10 weeks or 10 months. Mercy Chefs has a history of being in places for as long as we're needed. We're still serving in Western North Carolina all this time after the hurricane there because there's still a need. And it'll be the same thing in Kerr County.
God bless you guys. For folks at home who are interested in your organization, plug your website. What can folks at home do to help you guys do this great work you're doing?
You know, folks at home can pray for the victims here, pray for the people that are still missing. They can go to our website and find out how they can volunteer or how they can send the link to family or friends in the area. And there are secure links on there to help support us. And I can tell you that a dollar today turns into a meal tomorrow. So we appreciate folks standing with us as we serve the people of Texas.
You talked about long-term service in places like where Hurricane Helene had such a devastating impact. What do people need as time goes on in these disasters?
I think people need to know that they haven't been forgotten. And that's the biggest thing we hear from people that are in these places. Like, have they forgotten about us? Do they still know that we're suffering? Do they still know that we're struggling? People want to know that the rest of the country is standing with them. And so I'm going to be able to share with them that you are and that your viewers are standing with the people here in Texas.
I see the cross on your shirt. Do you do a little faith-based word of, I don't know, putting a good word to people who are suffering?
You know, we believe that our work should speak for itself, and the folks that are curious or that want to know more will ask. Our primary mission is service. We are not out to proselytize or share any special message other than that we love the people and we're serving them the very best meal that we can. And I think that stands and speaks for itself.
Your actions speak very loudly. Gary LeBlanc, thank you so much for your time, and God bless you and your team.
Thank you guys for keeping us on the air.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.